Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Nusyairah bin Jafruddin. I will explain about the ceramic. Ceramic is a material that hard and brittle that had been sintered, which made by the clay, and the material that from the minerals which is not metal, that hard and has high melting point. Properties and the structure of the ceramic is the microstructure, which is it's too small and it cannot be seen with our naked eyes. So the microstructure is important roles in the final properties of material. And the advantage of the ceramic is high hardness and high mechanical strength, and also resistant to corrosions and chemical. That's why we use in our constructions and architecture and also aerospace. And then structure of the ceramic is like are detected by the types of atoms that are bonding and the way of the atom is packed. For the ceramic usually have combinations of strong bond, which is called ionic and covalent. Ionic is between metals and non-metal involved in attractions of opposite charge. When the electrons are transferred from the metal to the non-metal, and the covalence is the occur when the two non-metal are involved in sharing of atom. So that from the bonds we can conclude that it can make the ceramics more high elastic modulus and hardness, high melting point, and low thermal expansions. So we can say that the high number of electrons being shared, the higher of force of attractions. Ceramics, metal and polymer can combine in various ways to form composite to take advantage of each material properties. So that polymer are also reinforced with glass fiber for wide range of constructions and structure applications. There are two ways to classify of ceramic. First, based on applications, and based on compositions. For applications, we have two, which is traditional ceramics and advanced ceramics. Traditional ceramic, for example, whiteware and cements. For advanced ceramic, they are divided by two with electro ceramics and advanced structural ceramic. For electro ceramic, we usually use in optical ceramics, and advanced structural ceramic we use in automotive ceramic. Okay, what the main advantage and the disadvantage of ceramic? First, for the advantage is a low specific gravity, the metals, and high temperature resistant and high compressive strength. For the ceramic design challenge is strict, brittle, difficult to fabricate, thermal stress. For the brittle is poor tensile properties. And why we choose ceramic? Because it's resistant to extreme temperature. Means that, for example, we can cook food to the melting metals, variety of color, easy care of the hygiene. The process that involved in ceramic is milling, batching, mixing, forming, drying, and sintering, also finishings. For milling process had been done in ball mill with millings to reduce the particles of the materials. And there are two types of the milling, is dry and wet milling. For mixing process is a combinations of constituents of ceramic body to produce more chemically and physically homogeneous system for forming. While forming is involved in consolidations and molding of ceramic powders to produce a cohesive body of the desired size. While the drying is a process that removes water from the ceramics object of raw material to make sure there is no damage to the ceramic. While firing or sintering is the process that consolidations the material which is increase the strength and usually it can cause a shrink at high temperature, lower the melting point. Finishing consists at 3 types with surface coating of the modifications, machinings, and thermal annealing. That's all. Thank you.